when you're faced with something like that, remember these are forms that in the past maybe you could draw, but you certainly couldn't make, and unless you had somebody spending weeks doing it. So I think we shouldn't underestimate the freedom that contemporary technologies give the fertile mind. But you need the kind of, you need both, you know, you need the design mind which kind of move things up, and then you need this other algorithmic mind, you know, the one that can kind of step in and understand the complexity of mathematics. You're building in thin air without a mold. And I'd like to bring in new species, new things that people have never seen before.
Now is that moment, right?